Assalamu alaikum 8th class. Due to load shedding, our class started late. Okay. So today our topic is exercise of unit 1. Quickly start this because we have short time today. Okay. Please kindly open the page number 9. Page number 9 from your textbook. And first question is, why did Qasim go to Saudi Arabia? Quickly write this on your note copies and or books, because I must say that we have a short time today. Why did Qasim go to Saudi Arabia? The answer of this question is Qasim went to Saudi Arabia to see his parents अपने माँ बाप को देखने के लिए, to see his parents, particularly his mother, खास तौर पर अपनी वालिदा को, particularly his mother. Okay, the answer, Qasim went to Saudi Arabia to see his parents, particularly his mother. वो सऊदी अरब इसलिए गया अपने वालिदैन को देखने के लिए, अपने वालिदैन से मिलने के लिए, खास तौर पर अपनी वालिदा को. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डिड कासिम कम बैक फ्रॉम सऊदी अरबिया? सऊदी अरब से क्यों वापस आया था? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, कासिम came back, C-A-M-E, came back. We use second form of come, came back to Saudi Arabia because, because he never wanted to miss his exam. वो अपने इम्तिहानात नहीं छोड़ना चाहता था, इस वजह से वो सऊदी अरब से वापस आया. Read this, Qasim come back to Saudi Arabia because he never wanted to miss his exams. Question number 3, what two subjects does Qasim find tough? कि कैसे कौन से मज़ामीन थे जो कासिम को मुश्किल लगते थे, टफ लगते थे? The answer of this question is question number 3. Okay, 1 second. Okay. So this question answer is Qasim finds, ये आपसे जो है क्वेश्चन प्रेजेंट में किया जा रहा है. याद रखिए, जिस सेंटेंस में आपसे जो है क्वेश्चन किया जा रहा होगा, उसी सेंटेंस में आपने जो है उसको आंसर करना है. जैसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है प्रेजेंट जो है पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में था, तो हमने इसका आंसर भी पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में देख सकते हैं, सेकंड का भी. लेकिन थर्ड जो है प्रेजेंट में पूछा जा रहा है, तो हम इसका आंसर भी प्रेजेंट में देंगे. कासिम फाइंड्स इंग्लिश and math subjects as a tough. Okay. Math as a tough subject. It will just math as a tough subjects. Okay, the right answer is Qasim finds English and math as a tough subject. Okay, next question number 4. What has Qasim decided to go after गो आफ्टर ही स्टडी, यानी वो अपनी पढ़ाई को खत्म करने के बाद क्या करना चाहता था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, Qasim has decided to go in for medicine. वो मेडिसिन में जो है जाना चाहता था, उसने जाने का फैसला किया। he if he gets a good position, अगर वो अच्छी पोजीशन या अच्छे मार्क्स हासिल करता, अदरवाइज he would go into business or agriculture. Okay, I repeat this question. What has Qasim decided to do after his study? के जो है वो तालीम मुकम्मल करने के बाद जो है कासिम क्या करना चाहता था। कासिम हैज डिसाइडेड टू गो इन फॉर मेडिसिन, जो मेडिसिन यानी तिब के शोबे में जाना चाहता था। इफ फैसला किया उसने, इफ ही गेट्स अ गुड पोजीशन, अगर उसके अच्छे जो है वो अच्छा मुकाम या अच्छी पोजीशन हासिल करता है। अदरवाइज ही वुड गो इनटू बिजनेस और एग्रीकल्चर। इसके अगर वो ऐसा ना कर सका तो वो बिजनेस यानी कारोबार या वो ज़राअत में की तरफ जाएगा। लास्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डज कासिम्स अंकल थिंक दैट आवर इंग्लिश हैज टू बी गुड, कि हमारी इंग्लिश जो है वो क्यों बेहतर होनी चाहिए। Yes, question answer is your homework. Okay, you must write these on your note copies. Okay, last question. Question number 5. Okay, so answer of this question is Qasim's uncle thinks that, सोचते हैं कि English has to be good, English जो है वो बेहतर होनी चाहिए, to be good because English has become an international लैंग्वेज, वो एक बैनुल अक़वामी जुबान जो है वो बन गई है। Okay, English has become an international language and the language of science and technology. Okay, I repeat this answer and question once again. The question, why does Qasim's uncle think that our English has to be good? के कासिम के अंकल क्यों ये सोचते थे कि हमारी इंग्लिश अच्छी होनी चाहिए? So the answer of this question we write, Qasim's uncle thinks that English to be good, अच्छी होनी चाहिए, बेहतर होनी चाहिए, because क्योंकि English has become an international language, English जो है एक बैनुल-अक़वामी जुबान बन गई है, and the language of science and technology, साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी की जुबान भी बन चुकी है. These are your answer questions. Next we do part C. See the statement of part C on the page number 9. Quickly write this. And next we do part C at the page number 9. You can also do glossary, okay? You must write glossary because glossary MCQs comes from mostly glossary part, okay? You must learn these words meaning. Okay, next part C. See the statement, provide the correct sentence in the blank using the verb given within bracket. Okay, they give us first form of verb and say that we use within bracket with has have. Okay, has have they give us and we make sentence from this helping verb. Okay, so we know that these helping verbs used in present perfect tense. Okay, so simply we make present perfect tense. Okay, see the next, fill in the blanks. We put these words and make present in present perfect tense. First sentence is dash, we dash an exciting football match today. They give us watch. So we, according to subject, we use have and third form of watch. We have watched. Okay, so first put these words on the first fill in the blanks. Next two, the clock has dash 5. Strike has struck. Second form of strike, struck. Third, the grandmother has dash the lawn after a long time today. Mow. Mow means सफाई करना, झाड़ू लगाना. तो grandmother single person we use has mowed. See the four, dash you ever dash in the river, have used ever swim. Swam. Third form of swim. Next, the dash, this milk dash sour. यानी दूध खराब हो गया, खट्टा हो गया है, तो has gone. Next, the butcher dash a cow for the meat, sluggard. Has plus third form. You just write ed at the end of this word, okay? Next, 7, he dash 2 books this year, has published. Has published. Third form, has plus third form of publish. Sorry, 7. Next, 8. I dash not dash Zahid since he was 14. I have not seen. Third form of see. I have not seen. Next, 9. We dash the match. Win they gave us. So we have, according to subject, have won. Third form of win, won. Last, Nosheen dash her knitting and is now going to read a story book. Has finished. खत्म कर लिया उसने अपनी बुनाई. Finished. Okay. Okay, class. These are important. We do next if we have time on other class, because due to load shedding we miss the time. Question answer is important in this exercise. You must write these on your note copies. Okay, so your class time is gone. Allah Hafiz. Okay, class. Allah Hafiz.